Hi everyone, today we're going to work on tightening and toning our core, all while rounding that booty. You can do all my workouts on their own, or you can follow along with my free fitness programs, which I have on my website. I'll post a link down in the description below. All right guys, send me some love by hitting that subscribe button. Let's head over to our fitness mats and get to work. We have 12 exercises ranging from 30 to 40 seconds, starting with split squats. Taking a step back with our left foot, let's lower our hips, bringing our left knee down just above the mat, then push back up. Switching sides, step our right foot back and squat. Now we're going to come onto our left side, stagger our feet, and come up into a side plank. We're going to add a twist, bringing our right hand to our left side as we face the mat and push our tailbone up toward the ceiling, coming back to a plank, then repeat. Let's switch sides, coming into a high plank on our right side. Left arm goes to our right side, bringing our tailbone up towards the ceiling, back to a plank, and repeat. Now we have mountain climber twists. Starting in a plank position, we're going to tighten our core and pull our right knee in towards our right elbow, then over to our left side, back to the starting position, and then repeat with the left leg. Now we'll come onto our hands and knees, starting with our right leg. Let's pull our knee into our chest and then kick straight out behind us, really squeezing those glutes as you kick out. Now let's repeat this with the left leg. time to come onto our backs, keeping our knees bent. Let's raise our legs up, and we're going to alternate legs, tapping our toes to the mat. Make sure you're keeping your low back flat on the mat while doing this move. From here, we're going to move into bicycles, placing our hands behind our head. We're going to kick one leg out while bringing our elbow to our opposite knee. Now let's come onto our tummy, lifting our legs off the mat. We're going to extend our legs out, making a wide V, and then bring them back together, tapping our heels, and repeat. Let's come back onto our hands and knees. Keeping our knees bent, let's raise our left leg up towards the ceiling and then bring it across our right hip to meet our right hand. Now let's do the same thing with our right leg. Lying with our back on the mat, let's draw half circles with our legs. We're going to start by engaging our abs and lifting our hips off the mat. Then we're going to rotate our legs at a diagonal to the right and slowly lower them down, bringing our legs around and back to center. Then bring our hips back up and rotate to the left. Slow and controlled here. That's the movement goal. Let's lower our feet back to the mat and we're going to do some heel taps. Lifting our shoulders off the mat, we're just going to use our abs to bring our fingertips to our heels, alternating sides. Now we have cross-body toe taps. Extend our legs towards the ceiling, hands come behind your head to support your neck. We're going to crunch up, tapping your hand to your opposite foot. All right, guys, just 2 more exercises to go. Next, we have Russian twist. You want to come into a V position. You can keep your heels on the mat or raise them up to make it a little more challenging. Then we're going to bring our hands together and tap them to the mat on each side of us. Now we're going to come back to standing and wrap this up with a squat to split squat. Starting with your feet a little wider than hip width apart, we'll lower down at our hips till they're even with our knees, and then we're going to squeeze back up. Then we'll rotate our toes to the left, squat down into a split squat, come back up to a center squat, and then rotate those toes to the right, and repeat. Great job, guys. I hope you enjoyed this workout. Like any workout, consistency is important. If you need a program to follow, be sure to check out my free fitness programs on my website. Just like the videos, I'm adding more programs all the time. Send me some love by subscribing and hitting that thumbs up button, and I will see you all again soon.